Welcome to the Catalyzo channel, your go-to place for actionable strategies to launch and grow your business. We're all about equipping small business owners with practical tips and growth hacks, without the fluff. Let's dive straight into today's story that's sure to inspire you. Today, we're exploring the incredible success story of David, who built a thriving mobile car detailing business from scratch. In just 6 months, he's pulling in a remarkable $25,000 a month. If you've been toying with the idea of starting your own car detailing venture, stick around. We'll break down the challenges David faced, how he overcame them, and what it actually cost him to get started. First, David identified a golden opportunity: the growing demand for mobile car detailing services. Did you know the market is projected to exceed $10 billion by 2025? People love the convenience of having their cars cleaned right at their doorstep. But as exciting as it sounds, getting started wasn't all smooth sailing. The challenges David encountered several hurdles when he started his journey. The car detailing market was highly competitive with many established players. Finding a way to stand out felt daunting. Landing those first few clients proved challenging, especially since he was working with a tight marketing budget. As his client base grew, managing time and resources efficiently became increasingly important to ensure smooth operations. The solutions. David approached these challenges with smart strategies that made all the difference. He set himself apart by offering exceptional quality and customer care, emphasizing his attention to detail. On the marketing front, he leaned heavily into social media, using platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share impressive before and after photos of his work. By targeting local neighborhoods with high vehicle ownership, he reached the right audience effectively. Building credibility was another priority. David launched a professional website and encouraged satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on popular platforms, which boosted his reputation and attracted more clients. To keep his operations running smoothly, he implemented efficient workflows like online appointment scheduling and detailed checklists. These systems ensured consistent service quality and helped him juggle multiple clients seamlessly. The startup costs. Let's break down what it cost David to get his business off the ground. He spent $5,000 on equipment and supplies, including a high-quality pressure washer, vacuum cleaner, and a range of detailing products like shampoos and waxes. Marketing required an additional $2,000, which he used for website development, social media ads, and promotional materials like flyers and business cards. To ensure mobility and professional branding, David invested $10,000 in a used van or truck and applied branded wraps and decals. Licensing and insurance costs amounted to $1,500, covering essential requirements like a business license and liability insurance. Lastly, miscellaneous expenses, including uniforms and initial operational costs such as fuel and maintenance, totaled $1,500. Altogether, his startup expenses came to $20,000. The results. David's dedication and smart planning yielded impressive results. Within the first month, he began generating income by securing his initial clients. By the 3-month mark, his monthly revenue had exceeded $10,000, inspiring him to scale up further. At 6 months, he was earning $25,000 per month, proving that success is possible with determination and a clear strategy. Key takeaways. David's journey offers valuable insights for anyone looking to start a business. Adaptability was a cornerstone of his success, allowing him to refine his approach based on feedback and challenges. Investing in marketing played a crucial role, as a strong online presence helped him attract and retain customers. Most importantly, prioritizing customer experience turned satisfied clients into loyal advocates who contributed to his growth. If David's story has inspired you, take the leap. Whether it's car detailing or another venture, remember, success is within reach with the right mindset and strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more success stories and practical tips from Catalyzo. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What challenges do you think you'd face if you started a similar business? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Catalyzo.